shape.
Oh no!
I'm scared already.
Halo teman-teman semua, welcome back to BNay channel. Ya, aku tahu biasanya juga Mbak Mawar ya kan yang buka videonya. Cuman kali ini aku sengaja bikin video pembukaan karena aku pengen secara langsung ucapin terima kasih banget buat teman-teman semua yang sudah selalu stay tune dan nonton videonya BNay. That means a lot banget buat aku dan buat si bro juga teman-teman. Dan juga teman yang baru join di BNay, welcome to our BNay channel. Dan buat teman-teman yang masih belum subscribe, aku saranin untuk pencet tombol subscribe teman-teman, supaya teman-teman selalu update dengan video-video BNay yang terbaru. Kami juga on Instagram loh ya teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian penasaran Instagram mereka apa aja, langsung follow Instagram aku, karena biasanya kalau aku posting new video aku selalu tag Instagram teman-teman aku yang jadi guest di vlognya BNay channel. Oke? So I wish you sehat dan bahagia selalu, dan bye bye. Enjoy the video.
Halo teman-teman semua. Ya, tadi barusan lihat Bu Bos ya. Hari ini Mbak Mawar tugasnya adalah memasak Baso Aci. Nah, ini makanannya orang Sunda banget ya, Baso Aci. Nah, ini teman-teman kalau bisa lihat bungkusannya, ini kata ibu bukan endorse. Katanya sih dia beli, ya wes, berarti barang tukuan nggak apa-apa, yang penting bisa dicobain sama teman-teman ibu. Cara bikinnya juga gampang ya, tinggal baca aja itu di luar biasa. Itu cilik-cilik Mbak Mawar kira itu bakal kurang buat dimakan sama teman-temannya si ibu. Orang itu cuma 5 bungkus yang makan 6 orang ya kan. Tak kiranya waduh kurang iki piye. Tapi ternyata kalau misalnya dimasak lama kayak 15 menit gitu jadi pengembang tapiokanya luar biasa. Itu teman-teman lihat tuh pada berenang ke atas gitu ya, tandanya wes mateng. Tapi tak biake, masih tak masak lama-lama. Nah, setelah 15 menit gitu baru tak masukkan ini sambelnya. Waduh, baunya aja nih teman-teman, weh, pedes tenang. Wes udah merah banget ya. Yo, jadi 5 bungkus cabe buat 6 orang ya, nggak apa-apa lah. Bisa pasti, walaupun warnanya kalau merah tenang. Ya, sekarang waktunya kita persiapkan. Nah, jadi yang buat temannya ibu yang nggak vegetarian, karena temennya ada yang vegetarian hari ini semuanya. Nah, yang nggak vegetarian itu tak kei bakso biasa, bakso sapi. Yang vegetarian itu cuma dapat yang ini. Kayak sih memang ini vegetarian ya, nggak ada ikan-ikanan kayak gitu. Semoga benar. Kalau salah, bukan salahku, ya salah dewe. Salah nasi ibu nggak iso bocah.
Oh,
How bloody red.
It looks so red.
Yeah, it's like how bloody red is that.
Wow.
you're not being vegetarian?
Yeah, it's vegetarian.
Yeah,
It's a vegetarian, yeah, it's only like I'm gonna explain what it's made of. Awesome! Oh, tonight everyone's scared. Hi guys! Welcome back to BNay channel, and as always, we are here for trying Indonesian food. And today, as you see, you know that face over there, you know that face over there, you know this and this, but then we have 2 new guests. Yay! Who are they? So let's give it up.
What's your name?
Exactly.
My name is Abhay and I'm from India.
Yay, Abe. And the next one?
My name is Merari and I'm from Mexico.
Yay!
Mexico.
Mexico. So guys, today what you have in front of you, it's actually like kind of an instant kind of thing. So I don't make it by myself from the scratch. So this is apparently it's just a new trend. I think like from 2 years ago, but for me it's new because I just got it here in Vancouver. This is vegetarian, so Abe, don't worry. Mary, don't worry. Also, you guys know these two are vegetarian, so that's why I've tried to adjust with theirs. This is made from the flour. So tapioca flours, a lot of garlics in there, so there's no meat, no fish, nothing. And for us, I give a little bit meatball, but I cook it separately. So this island is the most fabulous island in Indonesia, and the meal is coming from Garut. This, I think it's in this area, so the west of
Jakarta?
Java. Not the Jakarta really, but like in the west of Java, so in this area, Garut. Yeah, the West Java, they like to eat kind of like chewy stuff. Guys, this is not an endorsement, okay? I wish.
Maybe in the future.
Maybe in the future, but
Sponsor us, or we will erase that.
so have a bite, and if it's spicy or whatever, I don't know. This is my first time trying it as well, and yeah, enjoy.
So we like to like have it together, right? The
Yeah,
curry.
well, honest and mix it, something like that. If we eat it wrong, they're gonna tell us.
Oh shit.
Oh no!
I'm scared already. And this is veg, right?
Yeah?
This is veg, right?
It's all vegetarian, nothing with meat. We check the ingredients,
Okay.
double check with him as well. Mer? Yes?
Oh my god, I'm getting scared now.
I don't really like the taste. It's kind of a weird taste
Which one?
of the tapioca. It gets really slavery.
It is, yeah.
I'm crying already.
Spicy. It's so hard.
What is this?
I think it's kind of like a crunchy nuts or like that, but it's not nuts.
I thought it was chickpea, but it's not.
Yeah, I also thought it's chickpea.
It's really spicy.
It's spicy.
Who told me to put the last chili? Good chill.
Yeah.
But I have the jelly. There's a jelly, it's very nice.
Really?
This one, yeah.
But this one is not so crunchy. I think maybe it's in the package and it's been like quite a while.
Now I'm getting used to the spice. It's fine now.
Yeah? I think
Now
so.
it's
Me
fine.
too.
Yeah, it's better now. The more you chew, you get habitual effect.
Yeah, I'll get used to it. Melt it.
So do you get it from a specific store?
Yeah, I bought it from Indonesian store. Nobody is forced to finish it. But it's too spicy, you can't stop. Because I don't think I'm gonna finish.
I think I've never eaten something like this before. Like everything, like the texture, everything is really different from what I've tried.
Me too. Indonesia always come up with like an idea for new food. And I think this is one of them. So when I found it at the Indonesian store, I was like, okay, let's give it a try.
I like it.
Huh?
Is it beef?
This is big.
Oh my god.
Here.
It's everything.
But I don't feel that spicy though.
Give it some time.
Yeah? Well, maybe.
Yeah, my lips are burning.
What is it? Like jelly?
It's like a tapioca flour. I think it's Asian thing. So we like
Asian.
to do something chewy. And if you cook something with tapioca flour, it makes it like the texture chewy. Because it's crying.
Oh.
Is it okay?
It's not that spicy.
It's spicy, but it's edible. It's nice.
So this two is still good. This four.
We should not have added that spice.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, I need milk after this. She's crying. It's spicy, guys. When you see Akash is already crying, so it's over his limit. It's over her limit as well. She's crying.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, I see. Once you start like taking the soup more, you start to like feel
Yeah,
the
you
spice.
feel the spicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's off tomorrow, so they might gonna stay in their washroom. If you eat, you wanna stop, but then no, I still can do that. I still can
Because
do
the flavor is nice.
Mm.
It's not just spicy, it has some flavor, which
True.
makes me eat it more.
It's really hard.
I love the jelly though. It's very nice.
Me too.
It's a new texture for me. Do you have this more? The big thing. If you have, it's fine.
No. Do you want to get something from yours? The one that you like?
Oh yeah.
She has
I love
some.
these ones.
Yours is very nice.
This one, right?
Yeah.
The peanuts?
And this one?
Thank you.
Hi friends, so I successfully finished this.
Wow.
It was kind of a challenge at the end. At the beginning it wasn't too bad because I think the tapioca kind of helped me to like drag the spiciness of the chili of the soup. So at the beginning it wasn't that bad. I was like, this is okay. The taste of the soup was great, unlike the taste of the little crunchy things. Those were not my favorites. Kind of taste a bit different for me. It's not something I will eat again. Like, to be honest. I mean the soup maybe with the meatballs, but no the other stuff. It was like kind of weird, and the smell was kind of weird as well. But overall it was great. The taste, the spiciness level, it was like 7.5, getting to 9. Getting to 9. No, I went too far. Getting to 9, to 8. Yeah, it was a great experience.
So you already saw I cried.
Where are the
spicy
tears?
for
Where are the tears?
it was spicy for me a lot. The mistake which I did, I started eating soup in the beginning, nothing with anything else. That's why I cried. But this thing was so good. This thing helped me a little bit because adding this with the soup was
Which one?
less spicy. Yeah, the chunkier. These things.
Oh, these things. Okay.
Yeah, and the tapioca also blended the spice a bit. I'll try this thing again. It was amazing, but it was hell a lot of spicy. I like the meatballs also. Meatballs was good. For the spiciness level, I'll give it 9.5. Because I cried.
Good.
Because I cried.
So I feel I couldn't finish it, but it was so good. I love the tapioca. I think
Yes, the tapioca.
I love it too much. It's the first time that I have something like that, but it's too spicy for me. But I think I will try again one day. And also the soup is really good, but I couldn't. I'm sweating. I almost cried.
What you gonna grade the level of spiciness?
I will give I think 8.
8?
No, it's spicy.
The spiciness.
No.
100?
Only from 10. You're seriously gonna eat?
You will finish it?
Wow,
I like this thing.
Love it.
So I really like the soup. I love the flavors in it. The best part about this dish was chonky. It was chunky tofu.
Yeah.
The other thing was tapioca. I really like the aci. It helped me to survive this bowl of spices. But I really loved it, and I'm gonna ask her where did she buy it.
Sure thing. I'm gonna buy next time if I go there for you.
The level of spiciness for me, it's 7.5.
Awesome! Woot.
You finished everything.
Yeah. See, wow, you nailed it. What do you say?
Hey everyone, so
Let's see.
I finished almost everything.
Yes, the
So
soup. I see you finish it.
I loved the soup. I think the flavor was really rich. Like, I mean, it was spicy, super spicy, but still the flavor was really, really good. So I actually ate all of the soup immediately. Actually, what I liked the most, these bigger ones, they were, I was not so sure whether I would like them. I ate like 2 or 3. The texture was a little weird for me. I first thought it was like krupuk, but krupuk is like, I don't like krupuk soggy, right? I like it crunchy. But this was actually, when it was crunchy, it was too hard. So you had to mix it with the soup, but then it got soggy.
You don't like it.
So I was like, I'm not sure if I like it. And like also the aci, the aci, it tasted really good, but also the texture was really interesting. I've never eaten something like this before. It was like so chewy and sticky a little bit, but it was really good. Yeah, overall I think it was a really good appetizer. Spicy, it makes you sweat, like it's really good for the winter, I guess. For spiciness, I will also give it 8 points. I think it could be more spicy. I can still take more, but it made me sweat already. It was pretty good.
Awesome, yay! So teman-teman, first time aku juga baru nyobain Baso Aci dari Garut. Wow, it's kind of like challenging banget ternyata. Walaupun dulu aku sebenarnya makan pedes ya, cuman karena udah lama nggak makan pedes, dan sekarang nyobain. You can see before in the video, aku bener-bener kayak yang kepedesan. But it's okay. For me, it's like not spicier than samyang. Samyang, I didn't eat it because I couldn't. So samyang is kind of like, I think all of you know how spicy it is. So this one, it's eatable. So I still can enjoy it. But I was struggling, so to be honest. Jadi kalau untuk jadi kayak makanan instan itu lumayan sih ya, supnya lumayan enak, mungkin banyak micinnya. Dan terus kalau for the spiciness, 8.5. Okay, that's it guys, and okay guys, together, just honest review, thumbs up or thumbs down for the meal. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and honestly it was very challenging for us eating that spicy. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and write in the comments. If you can write in English, it's way better because apparently our friends here, they read the comments, okay? And see you in the next video, and bye!
Bye.